Template tutorial. I'm going to show you really quickly what's included by laying it out this way. So you have 6 stations. The first 3 slides are half-page stations, just in case maybe you don't have enough information to warrant full-page stations. Then you have 6 slides that are full pages. You have 3 slides that include half-page hint cards, and then your student data sheet. So for each station, I just have type station information here. So you'll type in your questions. You can insert a table if you want to do that. These are very, very basic because I wanted them to be able to be open for you to include any kind of station information that you wanted. That's why these also work for anything other than math as well. Any subject area can use these. So you'll type your skill name or just delete it if you don't want it. Type your station information. For 6 stations, if you're doing half pages, if you're doing full pages, then you'll use these. So type your station information here. And then the hint cards, these are completely optional, but I wanted to show you something you could do rather than typing out notes or something here. Let's say your first station was about the distributive property. I'm going to delete that out, and then I'm going to just pull up, for example, this is a mini book that I have. Maybe I don't feel like typing this all over again, so I'm going to just screenshot. I'm doing a screen grab of this part right here. And one of the many things I love about PowerPoint is then I can just take it, drag it off my desktop, and put it here. And like the line is right there. If you don't like the line, then all you have to do is click it, format, crop, slide that in a little bit, and there you go. There's a distributive property. We could even go back and get an example if we wanted. We could also screen grab that example, come back, and this is a little big, so you just resize and put it in. So I'm just trying to make this easier on you, giving you ideas of rather than having to type and have this take a long time. The purpose of these templates is to save you time, not cause you a lot more or any kind of stress. So that's an example of what you could do with the hint card, or of course you could just type things in. And then last is your station student data sheet. You can adjust the skill name. You can adjust the station information here. I have it preset. There's just 4 right here. Obviously you have 6 stations. So what you can do is highlight, right click, delete rows, and then make this bigger. I'll actually probably go ahead and have this done already for you. So if you're watching this, this will already be done. So I'll have it set up to where it's 2 pages. So it'll look like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have it in 6. With 6 questions per station. If you don't want 6 questions per station, I'm going to show you the easiest way to change that without making a whole mess of this table. If you highlight all 6, go to table design, or I'm sorry, layout, merge cells, just merge them all together and then delete that. Now you have just this blank space. Let's say you wanted to do 8 questions. We're going to split the cells. We're going to split into 4 columns, 2 rows, and then now you have 8. So then you would just go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And if you don't like the text being in the middle like that, you can just click up here. It'll move to the top and so on. So it's very easy to adjust these. If you just wanted to have 3, then all you have to do is highlight, merge, highlight, merge, highlight, merge, and then change, of course, to just 1, 2, 3. So the table is very flexible here. So every station doesn't have to have the same number of questions. If you're doing something where students have to draw an answer, you can merge and delete out. If you're doing something where they need a coordinate graph, you can insert just clip art in there as well. So the data sheet is very, very flexible. So this is your tutorial for the stations template.